Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we begin, I would just like to give a quick shout out to Just Janice. Hey girl, you were the first to comment on my last video and I just want to say thank you so much for all your support. So by popular request, we are going to do a tutorial on how to remove your polygel. I'm going to be showing you guys two different methods in this video. The first method is the proper way. The second method is the complete wrong way. If you're a nail tech, certified nail tech, look away when we get to method 2. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to see it in the comments. I don't want to see anybody tell me this is horrible for your listen. It is what it is. The second method gets your nails off in about 5 to 10 minutes tops. First method takes a while for sure. But it's the proper way if you really want to protect and keep your natural nails healthy. So as you can see here in the video, all I'm doing is taking off my nail bling, nail decor. A lot of people just like throw the whole thing out when if your bling and stuff is in good shape and it doesn't have too much glue and like junk on it, you can definitely reduce, reuse, recycle, girl. You can definitely save it. It's definitely way more inexpensive than constantly purchasing new bling and whatnot. So here I'm just going in with some big clippers, and you definitely want to invest in these for sure. If you have regular clippers, you can do it too, but these just make life so much easier. And I'm chopping down the nail length before going in and removing them. It just makes everything much easier and it's less stuff to drill down. So here's the part that kills me. If you don't have like a dust collector, it's going to get very dusty, but you do need a nail drill in order to do this first method. Polygel is a file off system. So I don't know, apparently I guess you can use an e-file. I just feel like that would take too long. So I would definitely recommend investing in a nail file if you want to do it this method, or an e-file. Mine is by Melody Susie. I really like this e-file. I think I've had it for over a month now and I haven't had any problems. So the link to everything will be down below in the description. But I go on it with a semi-low speed. If you're a whiz with your e-file, then if you do it at a higher speed, it will be quicker. But because I'm kind of a beginner and I just don't want to really mess up my nails and stuff too much, I take it slow. So yeah, that's basically what you want to do, is you just want to file down until you get to basically the nail. But like I said, polygel is a file off method. So technically, if you wanted to just file until you got to your natural nail, you could. I know a lot of people don't like doing that, so I'm going to show you what to do when you get like right there, when you're almost at your natural nail. But yeah, you just want to keep filing. So here is some remover, acetone, 100% pure acetone remover. And all you have to do is soak your nails and then take the rest off that way. So boom, here we are. Method 2, questionable, but it worked though. All right, so you're going to need a flosser and you're going to also need this cuticle nipper. Basically what you're going to do is you're going to go around your cuticles and start lifting around the edges on all your fingers. So like I said, this method, if you're a nail tech, if you're anybody, okay, listen, here's my thinking. Yes, this is not the best for your nails, 100%. Absolutely agree with you on that. There's no debate about it. If you go on my comments and you say, this is horrible for your nails, don't do this, why would you put this on that? I'm blocking you. It's that simple. Like, I'm sorry. I don't even mean to be mean, but I'm telling y'all, I'm telling you right here, that I know this is not the right way to do it. But anyway, we're going to go in with our flosser. And I just go underneath of the nails. And you kind of just want to wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Boom. And it comes right off. Literally, this takes me like 5 minutes to do, guys. It's so quick and so simple. And you want to go slower. You don't want to rush and do this. Take your time, because if you go fast, you could really like damage your nails. But I just go like slower and it comes right off so easy. So I just continue to do this method on all of my nails. And like I said, honestly, this method takes me like 5 to 10 minutes and it's worth it. Like, let's really think about it. If you do a set of Polygel, that set can last you over 2 weeks easily. It could last you about a month. My sets usually last me around that 3 week to a month period. And a lot of sets do, acrylic, whatever, they last you almost a month. So if you're doing this to your nails once a month, taking your nails off like this once a month, it's really not that big of a deal in my eyes. If you were doing your nails every week and you were doing this, okay, it's a big problem. So if you're switching your nails out that often, definitely go with method number 1. But if you're keeping your nails on for, like I said, a whole month, 3 weeks or whatever, and you're doing this not that often, I really don't see the problem. I think as long as you go slower and you make sure that you're not forcing that nail off, you shouldn't have no problems. Because when you go underneath of your nail with the flosser, you just got to do a little wiggle and it should slide easily. If you're doing this and it's like not coming off easily at all, it's giving you troubles and you're being extremely rough with it, then go in with the first method and just file that nail all the way down and soak it in acetone. So now all I'm going to do is go in with a nail buffer and buff my nails out some. And I also washed my hands to get all of that dust and whatnot off. I'm going to go in with some Julep nail strengthener treatment. Now this is important, especially if you're doing the second method or first method, it doesn't matter. But especially if you're doing the second method, you really want to make sure that you are putting a nail treatment on your nails. And I like to let my nails breathe for about a day. So what I do is I usually like do it for the weekends because I'm lonely. I'm a loner, y'all. I don't go out. So my nails, ain't nobody gonna see my nails. I usually like put it on for the day and let it sit, and then I'll do a second coat the other day. But yeah, I really like this nail strengthener because it really works. I can see a difference. You want to invest in a good nail strengthener, and you kind of learned that. Like, you don't want to use those cheap $3 ones that you get from a kid nail kit. No, you want to get yourself a really good nail treatment that's going to work and that's going to help build your nails. This is the key, especially if you're doing that second method, to keeping your nails strong and healthy. So I go in with an additional nail treatment. This is a different type of nail treatment. There's like different kinds of nail treatments. So I go in with 2 different types and I just do 2 different coats. This is like too much. You really don't need to do this. But like I said, I just do it because I do that second method and it's kind of rough. So you want to make sure that you're really taking care of your nails in some type of way. So I go in with 1 coat of each. If you were to just do 1 nail treatment, then I would go in with 2 coats of that 1 treatment. But I use this one by, I think the brand name is Anissa, New York. I'm not sure, but I really like this because the nail treatment is thicker. I'm sorry about my voice today, guys. It's super hoarse. I just woke up, to be honest. I don't know what's going on, but thank you guys so much for checking out my video. I hope this helps you guys because I know a lot of people were curious on how to take off your polygel nails. If this was helpful, please don't forget to give me a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for 3,000. Like I said, I'm having a giveaway very, very soon. Just look out for it. But yeah, thank you guys again, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.